Take a ride in the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.